Hi everyone, welcome back. So today let's discuss what the term cloud or cloud computing is all about. The idea is to rent computing resources instead of buying and owning them. What I mean by rent is that say I have decided to get the latest model of iPhone and I have visited a store nearby. After going there, I see there are two tiers, the 64 GB and the 128 GB. I am currently confused. So, I am someone who likes to take a lot of photos, especially in trips, and then cherish them for a longer duration. So I don't want my iPhone to stop me in between a trip and ask me to clean up all the photos so that my storage space is cleaned up and I can take more photos. But at the same time, I don't want to go with the 128 GB because there is a huge cost difference in between. And as someone who comes back and cleans up the photos and reduces the storage eventually, I don't want to pay that difference as well. So currently what I do is I usually go with the 64 GB model, and whenever I'm going to a trip or something, I get a iCloud subscription for a 50 GB or a 100 GB based on my requirements, which will cost you a few bucks per month. And when I come back and clean up based on the current requirements, I switch to a lower subscription or I even cancel the subscription. So in this case, I am renting a computing resource which is storage. But behind the scenes, what happens is Apple is going to build large buildings in areas where the land cost is cheaper. I'm just kidding. Where they set up a huge data center which involves multiple hard disk or storage disk based on their architecture. And whenever you want to store data that is apart from your storage, Apple makes sure that they get the photos from your phone via internet to these storage disks. And whenever you want to access them, they also make sure they get the photos from the storage disk to your mobile phone via internet. So in this case, there is a lot of technology involved to make this happen, and at the same time, in the overall model, a lot of advantages are also there. But we can discuss this one by one in the upcoming videos. Thank you.